like to connect or disconnect your smartphone to your Audi, but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to connect and also how to disconnect your smartphone via Bluetooth with the Audi MMI. Start your Audi. Go to Menu on the Audi MMI screen. Go to Telephone. Click on Connect Mobile Phone. Make sure your smartphone is unlocked and that the Bluetooth option is activated. Click on Continue. The phone should appear in the list on the MMI screen. If your phone does not appear, refresh the list. Select the phone you would like to connect to. A pin will be sent to the phone. If it matches the pin in the MMI screen, select Pair on your phone and accept the confirmation messages and click on Yes on the MMI. Your smartphone is now activated and will automatically reconnect as long as your Bluetooth option is activated. You can now receive incoming calls, make your own calls, listen to music that is located on your smartphone or via apps on your smartphone, etc. Would you like to completely disconnect your smartphone to the Audi MMI? Go to Menu and click on Telephone. Click on the plus. Go to Connect Manager. Click on the plus. Go to Delete Bluetooth device. The Audi MMI will now delete your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment behind if you'd like to learn more about other Audi tech options and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.